And good evening, everyone. We do begin with developing news tonight and a startling number of new COVID-19 cases here in Nueces County. 15 new cases to be exact. That brings the numbers in the county to 147 cases. And tonight we're learning more about the connection 14 of those cases have. They all come from a halfway home near City Hall. 19 people in total from that halfway home have tested positive for the virus. 3 of those people, we've learned, are also employees at a local beef processing plant. Our Ashley Portillo joins us with more on this developing story.
Of the 15 new COVID-19 cases here in Nueces County, 13 are from people who lived in a transitional housing facility, and now that housing facility has transitioned into a quarantine hub. 13 people who have tested positive for the virus are now quarantining themselves at Dismas Charities, Inc., and they'll be there for a minimum of 14 days. In a news conference Monday afternoon, City County Health Department Director Annette Rodriguez said it's important for communal places like it to take extra precautions during the COVID-19 crisis.
You know, they sleep very closely together. There isn't separate sleeping quarters. Also, you know, they eat together, everything they do together. They share one restroom for males, one restroom for females. All of those things are very concerning.
Rodriguez also announced 3 of those people work at STX Beef. That's where over the weekend and on Monday, the National Guard tested more than 500 employees. And Corpus Christi City Manager Peter Zanoni said more tests likely means more confirmed cases.
And we just want to be prepared that this week we'll probably see some other significant numbers as we get the results back from our beef processing plant testing operation that took place over the weekend.
City and county leaders said while it is hard to maintain social distancing at processing plants like STX Beef,
in some of these plants, it's very hard to do the job that you need to do and social distance at the same time.
They're looking into how they can help prevent the spread of the virus with more thorough cleanings in communal areas like the cafeteria and lobbies. Meanwhile, leaders are just hoping the numbers of confirmed cases drop, but they are preparing for a second wave.
And we think that it's going to hit around the same time that flu season hits. So the main thing is to get your flu shot. So you're not worried about, do I have the flu or do I have COVID-19?
By the way, about 800 STX Beef employees have gotten tested or will get tested for coronavirus, and the city expects to have results from that testing by the end of the week. For now, reporting in Corpus Christi, I'm Ashley Portillo, Chris 6 News.